We are pleased to show you the 2026 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.